Hello children, today we are going to start our new lesson from SST subject. Lesson number 1, The Earth, Our Home. So before starting our lesson, first we will see the summary of this lesson. So first one, why Earth is our home? The Earth is a heavenly body. What is solar system? About our universe, Earth is a livable planet and shape of the Earth. The Earth, our home. The Earth is a third planet from the Sun. Earth is home for all living things. Why do we call Earth is our home? The Earth has air, water and sunlight which help us and other living beings to survive. Children, do you know which gas we are breathing? Yes, oxygen. Humans and animals breathe in oxygen. Is it possible to live without water? No, we cannot live without water because if there is no water, plants will not grow. If plants is not there, we will not get food to survive. Do you like very hot climate? No, nobody like hot climate because we need normal temperature to survive. The earth is a heavenly body. Natural objects like sun, moon, stars, planets which are visible in the sky are called heavenly bodies. Example, stars, planets, satellites, comets, asteroids and galaxies. Children, we all are living in the Milky Way galaxy. When you look at the sky, you can see some objects on the sky like sun, stars, moon. These objects are known as heavenly bodies. Like that, our earth also on the sky. So, we can tell our earth also as a heavenly body. Solar system. The solar system is the sun, 8 planets, moon and stars that revolves around the sun and make up the solar system. So, all the planets, moon and all the stars are rotating around the sun and make up the solar system. Children, do you know how many planets are there on the solar system? Yes, 8 planets. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Earth is a livable planet. The earth is home for all living things. All living things need air, water and normal temperature to live. Earth is surrounded by different gases called atmosphere. 3/4 of earth is covered with water. Earth maintains normal temperature which is suitable for all living things. Children, among 8 planets, only Earth has air, water and normal temperature. That is why Earth is known as livable planet. Air. Earth is surrounded by some gases are called atmosphere. Oxygen is the gas that is required for most of the living things. Oxygen is present in Earth's atmosphere and also in water. Without oxygen, we cannot survive more than 3 minutes. Children, have you seen air before? No, we cannot see the air, but we can feel it. We breathe in oxygen and we breathe out carbon dioxide. Without air, no lives on earth. Water. Earth is known as the blue planet because 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered with water. Water is very essential for all living things. Without water, we cannot survive more than 3 days. Children, do you know why we are telling Earth is a blue planet? Yes, when we look our Earth from the sky, it looks like light blue color. Why it is looking like light blue color? Because our earth is surrounded by water. That is why our earth is looking like light blue color. Climate. Earth is right distance from the sun. Hence, the right amount of heat reaches the earth, so it maintains normal temperature, which is suitable for all living things. The shape of the earth. The earth is round in shape. It is flat at the top and bottom, just like an orange. How do you know the earth is round? If you stand in an open field or on the seashore, you will see that the earth appears flat. That is why people long ago were afraid to travel too far. Galileo, the great astronomer, told that the earth is round and it revolves around the sun. But no one believed him. Children, do you know why our ancestors were afraid? Yes, our ancestors were afraid to travel too far. They thought they would fall down from edges of the earth. Because they don't aware our earth is round in shape. Now tell me, who told the earth is round? Yes, the great astronomer Galileo said that our earth is round in shape and it revolves around the sun. In 1519, Ferdinand Magellan, a Portuguese sailor, started his sea voyage with other sailors from Spain. He kept sailing in one direction. After 3 years of his journey, he had reached the same place from where he had started his voyage. This proved that the earth is round. Children, tell me, what is voyage? Yes, voyage is a long journey through water or on the sky. In 1968, the American astronauts Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin landed on the moon and took photographs of the earth. The earth looked like a ball. It is flat at the top and the bottom, just like an orange. Children, now we will see the question answers from our first lesson. Where is the sky? What color does it look? The sky is all above us. It looks like light blue color. Children, everybody know we all are under the sky. It's look like a blue in color. Question number 2. What are heavenly bodies? The natural objects like sun, moon, stars which are visible in the sky are called heavenly bodies. Third question. Is the sun a star? How many planets are there in the solar family? Yes, the sun is a star. There are 8 planets in the solar family. Fourth one. How is the earth different from other planets? Earth is the only planet on which life exists. Therefore, it is different from other planets. Children, as you know, our earth only has water, air and normal temperature. That is why our earth is different from other planets. Why were people afraid of traveling too far? People were afraid of traveling too far because they feared they would fall off the earth. Filling the blanks. The earth is a dash planet from the sun. The earth is a third planet from the sun. The earth is also called as dash planet. The earth is also called as blue planet. The earth is dash for all living things. The earth is home for all living things. Earth is surrounded by some gases are called dash. Earth is surrounded by some gases are called atmosphere. Earth is round like an orange. Children, our first lesson has completed from here. Next class we will see our next lesson. Thank you.